Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Bramley Moore for my monthly Bramley Moore update. I'm only joking, I haven't been here for 4 weeks. The simple reason is I don't have as much time as the other guys when it comes to getting out flying time. So I've been up at Anfield. Might not be a popular opinion with everyone, but there's been a lot going on. That's coming to the final knock-ins now. So I've been trying to get as much footage as that for prosperity as I could. And that's took up a lot of my time, so now I've got freed up a bit more time. I can get down to Bramley Moore a bit more often now, so I do apologise. I will be down here weekly at least, if not a couple of times a week. I can see a lot's going on already since I was last here, so I'm going to zoom into some areas of interest at the moment, because there's a guy on the cherry picker up here. I can hear banging, I don't quite know what he's doing. I'll have a little nose at him. Let's go. Hiya. I'll zoom out while I'm going up in the area. So, yeah, very high. We'll look down and be able to get a better idea of what he's doing then. He seems to have finished. Looks like he's securing that section there anyway. And there's another guy on the cherry picker down on the barrel roof. I'll come back to him in a minute to see if he is doing any more. Well, there's a guy down here. Oh no, there's actually no one. There's no one on it. What is that? I just saw the cherry picker in the air. Oh, I forgot how noisy it was down here with wagons and stuff. Right. He's banging again. Okay, it's enough looking at him. So I'm going to swing around over the treatment centre. We'll also have a look at the hydraulic tower while I'm here. I haven't seen that for a while. I'm fascinated by that because I like my history. So I want to see what's going on with that. So I want to get this angle of the barrel roof from here without that crane getting in the way. It's looking good, looking really well. Can't wait to see the stadium up again. It's, I say this every time I come here, the scale just isn't replicated on camera. So let's get a bit higher again. Up to 110 in the air now. So there we go. Someone mentioned these raker beams going in. Now, because I've been here for a while, I don't know if these are fairly new or it's been in for a while. That is there any more on this side? Yeah, there's another one there. I feel drops of water. So I'll take it this is what the lower tiers will be getting attached to. Is that right? Because I haven't been here for a while, it's like starting afresh for me. So any help would be appreciated here, guys, of what you'd want to look at, okay, while I'm here. Take advantage of the zoom that I've got. Okay. That barrel roof on this side looks amazing. Look the way it curls round. That's pretty much all complete, isn't it? Superb design. I do like it. What's going on here? This is something I haven't seen before, but it's probably not new because I haven't been here for a while. Is that just a tower connected to the stand, is it, so they can work high up? I'm not going to take the drone round the back end today. The simple reason is line of sight. I want to keep line of sight, and what's this here? I don't want to lose signal. Okay, so two reasons. One to do with me not want to lose my drone, and another one is the law. Test down here. Rubble sacks. Okay. Yeah, guys, some help would be appreciated on this. Just where I need to be looking on my next video, that's all. This is just to familiarise myself again with it. But look at all the terracing in there. That looks superb, doesn't it? Just have a little look down here. Stairs going down. I'm going to come over to the hydraulic tower. Don't need to be as high as I am around here. So the roof has gone on there, which wasn't on last time I was here. But they've really got cracking on this tower, haven't they? Okay. Now Everton still want us to keep, well, Lango Rock still want us to keep on the outside. So I'm going to respect that still. They just passed the message onto the club, and the club have relayed it to us, that's all. So it's the next piece to go up is this one. Oh wow, he's crashed. What's he done?
Nice.
Got an idiot?
Yep.
So a car's gone on to the, I'll try and show this on the GoPro. You alright? No damage, I hope. So a car right outside the work site has gone on to the I don't know how he's done it. So it's like a curb separating the cycle path from the main road, if you like, and he's scraped all the bottom of his car on it, going over it. He's in a cycle lane now, like, but it's a nice BMW. I hope he hasn't wrecked it. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. That's an eventful return to Bramley Moore. I can see that from here. There's raker beams that side as well, isn't there? Or is that a shadow? Not a raker beam. And that's where the lower tees there will be going on, and then yeah. I wonder how far away from the pitch it's going to be. Oh, one there. I can have a better look at this another time, you see. And the south stands, the Gladys Street if you like. In all its glory. Those blue steels, blue stanchions still there, they are, aren't they? So, what's the plan with these? Are they coming down anytime soon? Is that even connected to anything? Or is that even holding anything up, I should say? Because that's what it's for, when it was a temporary suspension. As I go around the side, I can really keep my distance, you see, because I've got the zoom. Yeah, just keeping a line of sight, guys, that's all. There we go, I'm alright there. I can see the drone in there. Once I start losing sight, then I've got a problem. Not only losing connection with the drone, but also, yeah, because I'm trying to drop down to have a look. I'm going to have to get another way of doing the back side of it. Having a look at the west stands. It's really annoying when you can't get low enough, and then you have to you lose sight of the drone. It's just so annoying. Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Sorry for being away so long. I thank those that have stuck with me, and I promise to be back at least once a week, if not twice a week if I can. And what I've been doing at Anfield, I've been going up every single day. When it comes to the final knock-ons of this build, I'll be doing the same, okay, when there's a lot going on in the final days, okay. So I will be here every day getting as much as I can, because there's going to be a lot of cladding going up on the outside. There's going to be all kinds going on if Anfield's anything to go by, okay. So I'll leave it there, and as always, look after yourselves and speak to us soon. Bye now.